Which space agency has unveiled a $20 billion three-phase plan to build a permanent base bank on the moon? Answer is NASA. At which phase has Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated a plant for manufacturing artillery shells? Answer is Shirdi. Which state government has made electric vehicles mandatory for government use? Answer is Odisha. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated the Indian War Memorial at Imjingak Peace Park in which country? Answer is South Korea. Which Indian Army officer has been selected for the prestigious United Nations Military Gender Advocate of the Year Award 2025? Answer is Major Abhilasha Barak. Where has approval been granted to set up India's first geothermal energy project? Answer is Ladakh. Which component of ISRO's Chandrayaan 3 mission successfully completed a HOPE experiment on the lunar surface? Answer is Vikram lander. Who has been appointed as the next Chief Justice of the Patna High Court? Answer is Justice Meenakshi Madan Roy. Who has been appointed as the chairman of CBSE? Answer is Lokhande Prashant Sitaram. Which state government has launched Operation Delta Hunt? Answer is Gujarat. Who has been appointed as the president of the 81st session of the United Nations General Assembly? Answer is Khalilur Rahman. Who has become the first football player to win the Princess of Asturias Award for Sports? Answer is Lionel Messi. Which football player will be honored with the star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame ahead of the 2026 FIFA World Cup? Answer is David Beckham. Who has been appointed as India's next ambassador to Saudi Arab? Answer is Vipul. The construction and breakthrough of the main tunnel of which tunnel have been completed? Answer is Georgila Tunnel. Whom has Vogue IVF appointed as its brand ambassador in India? Answer is Kriti Sanon. Which city has become the first under India's Easy Connect model for international travel? Answer is Varanasi. Whom has NASA named as a mission commander for its upcoming lunar mission Artemis 3? Answer is which Indian player has become the world number one among under 13 tennis players? Answer is Srishti Kiran. Which country has launched Operation Nasr against Israel? Answer is Iran. A cross-border linkage has been launched between India's UPI and the national payments interface of which neighboring country? Answer is Nepal. At which place has the International BRICS Agriculture Conference begun? Answer is Indore. Who has received the Banker of the Year award at the FE Best Banks Awards 2026? Answer is K. Satyanarayana Raju. Who has been selected as the captain of the Indian T20 team? Answer is Shreyas Iyer. In which country will a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj be installed soon? Answer is Israel. To whom as the central government entrusted the additional charge of CEO of the Indian AI mission? Answer is Saurabh Vijay. Which country has become the ninth in the world to adopt and accept India's UPI payment system? Answer is Cambodia. What has the Uttar Pradesh government renamed Fazil Nagar in Kushinagar district to? Answer is Pavagadh. Which football club has won the Women's FA Cup 2026? Answer is Manchester City Women FC. How many new non-permanent members has the United Nations General Assembly elected to the Security Council for the 2027-28 term? Answer is 5. Which country has become the world's second largest solar energy development market? Answer is India. Who has become the second woman to be appointed directly as a Supreme Court judge from the legal profession? Answer is Justice V. Mohana. Who has been honored with the prestigious Baton Award 2025 for excellence in gardening? Answer is Subhani Sheikh. Who has been honored with the UN Military General Advocate of the Year Award 2025? Answer is Major Abhilasha Barak. Who has won the women's singles title at the 2026 French Open? Answer is Mirra Andreeva. Which driver won the Monaco Grand Prix in 2026? Answer is Kimi Antonelli. Who has won the 2026 French Open's men's singles title? Answer is Alexander Zverev. Who has been appointed as the new Deputy Chief of the Indian Air Force? Answer is which country's men's hockey team has won the Under 16 Asia Cup? Answer is India. At which location will the first World Yogasan Sports Championship 2026 be held? Answer is Ahmedabad. Who has become the first Indian to win the Norway Chess Tournament? Answer is R. Pragnanand. Mette Frederiksen has been sworn as the Prime Minister of which country for the third consecutive time? Answer is Denmark. Who has been appointed as the current Prime Minister of South Korea? Answer is Han Seong. Which Indian boxer has achieved the world number one spot in the women's 57 kg category in the World Boxing Rankings? Answer is Jasmine Lamboria. Which Indian player has become the youngest Indian to win the World Table Tennis FIDE Women's Single title? Answer is Divyanshi Bhaumik. Which country has approved the world's first invasive brain-computer interface implant named NEO for commercial use? Answer is China. Who has become the world's first trillionaire? Answer is Elon Musk. Which country has secured the top spot in the Global Peace Index 2026? Answer is Iceland. Which country's football association has FIFA suspended? Answer is Nepal. Who has launched Operation Chakra 6 against the digital arrest fraud network? Answer is CBI.